Hi viewers, so today I have received my Ainol frame and this is the packaging that I have received from Dino Direct. So you can see the Dino Direct logo here, and I received it through DHL, and you can see this is how they have taped the box on all the sides, right? So, I'm now going to open the box. Right? So I'm hoping of everything inside will be safe without any harm to the product during shipping. Here is the package. Here comes the package. And I think along with that this is the screen guard that I've received as promised by Dino for pre-order. Now I'm opening this. So you can say from the top of it looks like, so I've got flame. It says flame, and along with flame it looks like a charger, one cable, and plug. So here comes out the product, the Ainol Novo flame. So let me put it in the light here. So this is the Ainol Novo flame. Along with that, I've received this plug, right? And I believe this is HDMI cable, and with this comes this is the charger box. And here is the charger. So this is what I have received in my package today. So I'll open the box in the next video. This is for now. Thank you.